Holy shit. It has snowed for almost 1 or 2 days right now. And it just pouring down the fucking snow. You probably can't see it. But it's a really snowstorm out there. Just fucking look. That's the depths. The biggest cause of to have that fucking depth is because when it's blowing, it just takes snow and just build up in one corner. But because we're living in a town that have one hole there and one hole there, snows from the outside blows in and just stays here. And it not picks up any good snow really, but think a big fucking blizzard. And then you put on a big fucking storm. It's a snowstorm. Easy. You just a heads up because this is the reason why I couldn't upload. Or I can, but it takes fucking forever. So yeah. Now you know. Hooray!